Hello everyone, in today's video we'll dive into how to pass a call center interview. Watch as we play out a short interview to show you exactly what to do and say. Let's get started. Can you start by telling me a bit about yourself? Sure, my name is Sam and I have a strong background in customer service. I enjoy helping people resolve issues and creating positive experiences. In my previous role, I managed customer inquiries efficiently, which boosted customer satisfaction rates by 15%. Why do you want to work in a call center? I'm passionate about communication and solving problems. I love working in dynamic environments where I can assist customers directly. I'm also impressed by your company's reputation for excellent customer service and want to contribute to that. How do you handle a difficult customer? Of course, in my last job, I handled a customer who was upset about a delayed shipment. I listened carefully, acknowledged their concerns, and assured them I'd resolve the issue. I contacted the delivery team to expedite the shipment and followed up personally. By staying calm and proactive, I turned their frustration into gratitude. What would you do if you didn't know the answer to a customer's question? I would politely inform the customer that I need to double-check the information to provide an accurate answer. Then I'd use the company's resources or consult my team to find the solution and get back to the customer promptly. And that's it. Did you notice how Sam stayed confident, professional, and focused on solutions? Remember, preparation and a positive attitude can make all the difference in your interview. Good luck and don't forget to leave a comment below about your interview experience.